Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Narthanga Chutney or Bitter Orange Chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish that best goes with idlis or dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of Channa Dhal, a teaspoon of Urad Dhal, 4 dried red chillies, few curry leaves and 1 onion chopped. Saute well for few seconds. Then to this add 1 tablespoon of chopped Narthanga or bitter orange. Saute well for 2 minutes in medium flame until the Narthanga is well done. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and mix it well. Then off the flame and allow it to cool completely. It's been 5 minutes and the ingredients are now cool, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind this to a fine paste. Transfer the ground paste to a bowl like this. Season the Narthanga chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now our delicious Narthanga chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis or dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this Narthanga chutney or bitter orange chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hack from Steve Ovens. So let's get started. First method. Take an orange, hold it tight, cut both the ends. Make sure you cut a little flesh but don't go too deep. Now cut one end of a peel and run through till the center. Hold both the ends and open it wide. Your orange peel is going to pop out. Second method. Take an orange, run through the center. Make sure you cut only the skin, not the flesh. Now using a fork back, pierce through the gap and loosen the peels. Likewise, repeat the same for the other side too. Now give it a twist and turn and pull out the skin. You will get the full orange undisturbed. This method is very helpful when you pack the fruit for your kids. You can put everything back in place. The fruit will be very fresh and definitely a very hygienic practice. Hope this was a very useful hack, so do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.